Morning everybody. Just walked into the greenhouse here. We're going to go back and check on some grafts that we did about a month ago. So let's see how they look. All right, here's all the grafts we did some back on the 25th that we're going to look at. And hey, I see this one back here looks really good. That's awesome. So it's trying to leaf out. I'm gonna take this bag off, I think, permanently. But that looks great. Those buds are pushing out. We kind of used the wrong color rootstock there. You see we go from green to red, but you know, nonetheless, looks like the graft has been successful. Let's see about these guys here. These look good. This one's done on the 29th. I'm scared to pull that bag off because it's kind of stuck and the buds aren't, well, the buds are looking pretty good. And this guy does not look very good. He was done on the 10th. Buds kind of look black there. I don't know how well you can see that. But see how they're kind of blackish? Still possible it's okay because this is a red leaf, so hopefully I'm wrong there. And let's see, this is Otohime we did on the 29th. It looks good. Check that out. That's very promising there. Awesome. That is so cool. Happy to see that for sure. All the grafts seem to look okay. I don't see any that have turned black, really. So that is awesome news. Buds are swelling. See if I can make the phone zoom in on that little thing now. Anyway, buds are swelling there. So it looks like these grafts have taken, guys. So we'll check back here in another week or so. But all the ones that I'm pretty sure have taken, the ones back there that are leafing out, I'm gonna go ahead and just probably cut the top off that bag and slowly introduce it into the greenhouse conditions. And I saw the other day a couple of these guys are trying to leaf out already. These are not grafts, but I got some leaves coming out there. So spring is right around the corner for sure, y'all. And that makes me happy because I'm tired of the cold and the rain. I'm ready to see all these Jap maples with leaves. This one's got some leaves coming out really good. This is Yama. That's got some nice leaves coming on. So, all right, well, there's your update, guys. And we're gonna graft some more here soon. These trees are in the greenhouse, obviously. So that's why they're pushing leaves a little earlier. But the ones I've got outside still are dormant. So that's what we'll use for our scion wood. But got a few more that I want to graft to. So stay tuned and I'll keep reporting back and we'll see what kind of success we have. Thanks, guys.